The COOAU, the Vantrue, or Z-Edge, perhaps the THINKWARE or the PORMIDO? Which one should you buy? In this video, we will be looking at the top 5 front and rear dash cams available on the market today, and we'll tell you which one is best for you. We made this list based on our own opinions, research, and customer reviews. We've considered their quality, features, and values when narrowing down the best choices possible. If you want more information and updated pricing on the products mentioned, be sure to check the links in the description box below. So, here are the top 5 best front and rear dash cams. The 5th product on this list is the Z-Edge. While driving, it is important to have your complete attention on the road and be aware of your surroundings at all times for complete safety. The problem is that it can get a little overwhelming, especially for new drivers with little experience of crowded streets. Thanks to Z-Edge, you don't have to go through this struggle. With a 4.0-inch sensitive touchscreen, this dash camera T4 eliminates the need to operate by pressing buttons. It is specially designed to provide you with simple operation and optimal use. You can perform all functions with just one finger, such as navigating to the menu settings, taking a screenshot, manually locking video files, or playing back videos, all to simplify the process and improve the user experience. It also includes 4 optimized preset modes designed to best suit your environment, saving you time from having to customize each individually. There's Drive, which is optimized for regular use, Scenic for longer video clips, WDR, which is great for bright days or nighttime driving, and Park, which increases G-sensor sensitivity and battery efficiency for monitoring your parked vehicle. This dual cam also is equipped with top-notch NT96663 CPU and a high-end image sensor, allowing the front and rear cameras to record in Super HD 1920 by 1080p or in stunning WQHD 2560 by 440p with a single front camera. With its high resolution and powerful processor, this dash cam can clearly capture the license plate and deliver clearer videos, making it highly reliable for restoring powerful evidence of any unexpected accident. Its pros are, it features wide dynamic range technology, which ensures there's no overexposure during the day and brings greater clarity at night. Its 155-degree wide-angle front and rear dash camera covers up to 4 lanes of traffic, which helps capture more of the road around you, and it has a built-in G-sensor that monitors and detects unusual impacts or vibrations, and automatically triggers the emergency video protection feature. However, the attachments and adhesive it comes with are not particularly good, so you may want to buy a universal mounting kit. The Z-Edge Dual Dash Cam is a handy piece of equipment, especially if you want to protect yourself from reckless and undisciplined drivers. Up next in 4th place is the PORMIDO. Driving in heavy traffic with cars coming from all sides is no laughing matter, and installing this reliable dash cam equipment from PORMIDO is one of the best ways to avoid such incidents. This dash cam has a 12-inch square rear view mirror that provides you with an ultra-wide view of what's behind, minimizing blind spots for safe driving and reversing. Using its smart screen split function, you can also view dual lens displays simultaneously. This dash cam also uses Sony sensor and WDR technology, so you can get sharper DVR images from both front and rear dash cams in higher resolution at 1296p, especially bringing you a starlight night vision low light from the other car's headlights. The uniquely shaped back camera with a longer extension cable is another highlight of this product. The included 33-foot rear camera connecting cable fits a wide range of vehicle sizes, including SUVs, pickups, campers, vans, sedans, and minivans. You'll also appreciate the fact that this product is multifunctional. Loop recording, parking monitoring, G-sensor, parking guidelines, adjustable brightness, and view angle and GPS are all available from its 12-inch Stream Media rearview mirror camera. It also includes 32 gigabytes of storage that can be expanded to 256 gigabytes. Finally, each dual dash cam mirror comes with a 30-day full refund or replacement guarantee, a 1-year warranty, and lifetime after-sales service. Its pros are, it provides easy overnight footage through parking monitoring, it comes with adjustable brightness settings to suit your needs, and it has an excellent touchscreen interface with quick response. However, it can be hard to see the screen on sunny days. If you're looking for a dual dash cam with high storage capability to securely keep all your important footage, then the PORMIDO is the best option for you. Still haven't found a front and rear dash cam that meets your needs? Well, keep watching because we have more lined up for you. Meanwhile, if this is your first time visiting our channel, Be sure to subscribe and hit the bell icon to receive notifications of our next videos. The third product on this list is the THINKWARE X700. Let's talk about having convenience at your fingertips. The THINKWARE X700 dashcam combines cutting-edge camera technology with advanced driver assistance software, allowing you to drive more safely while recording your daily commutes in full HD 1080p. The X700 is the latest addition to THINKWARE's X series, a very popular line of LCD dashcams. The X700 is unique in that it is THINKWARE's first touchscreen unit. It has a 2.7-inch LCD touchscreen, which significantly affects usability, especially at night when the buttons on most LCD dashcams can be challenging to see. The X700 has a slim, unobtrusive design. It measures approximately 4 by 2 by 1.1 inches, which is slightly smaller than the average smartphone. The relatively small size makes it great for placing on your windshield without obscuring your view of the road. The X700 has a pretty simple design that requires almost no experience or training to get used to. Moreover, its rear camera has the Pixel Plus CMOS 2.12 megapixel image sensor and can record at 1080p Full HD at 30 frames per second, and it has a 125-degree field of vision. This is the perfect unit for those concerned about other road users and their own safety. Its pros are: it uses advanced technology that reduces noise and enhances image quality in low light conditions. It notifies you of upcoming red light cameras and speed cameras with the included GPS antenna, and it features the advanced driver assistance system, which alerts the driver of potential forward collisions, lane departures, and front vehicle departures. However, it does not have Wi-Fi capability. The THINKWARE X700 is an excellent choice for users who want a dash cam for protection during accident investigations and to capture the odd, interesting video while driving. It strikes a good balance between cost, ease of use and installation, and video quality. The second product on this list is the COOAU D30. When looking for products to improve your fleet of vehicles, it's critical not to overcomplicate the process. Using products that serve multiple functions can benefit you and help you save money. That's what makes COOAU D30 an ideal choice. This dash cam is one of the best dual cameras available, given its video quality both front and inside due to the Sony IMX323 sensors for both cameras and NT96663 processor. It also has a car camera recorder, which shoots high-definition videos and images and provides strong evidence in the event of an accident. On top of that, it includes a GPS module that allows the dashcam to precisely pinpoint the vehicle's location and routes on the map. The data can be viewed using the FiCam app on your iOS or Android device. It is simple to change settings, control the camera, and view, download, and share videos without causing traffic. The dashboard camera itself is a slim tube made of heavyweight plastic. It should ideally be mounted behind the rearview mirror. This cam has powerful features such as parking mode, which protects your car 24 hours a day, G-sensor for seamless loop recording, and motion detection, which ensures it captures even the slightest movement for added safety. Its pros are: its DVR is equipped with a supercapacitor so it can withstand high temperatures. It features the parking mode, which monitors your car's surroundings when you are away for a vacation or leaving your car for quite some time. And its G-sensor with auto-collision detection can detect impacts and lock important video segments to the emergency files folder and prevent overwriting of your video file. However, its IR lights must be manually turned on and off. The COOAU D30 is a powerful tool with reliable and personalized features that you would want to have when driving your family car, especially with your kids. Before we reveal number 1, be sure to check out the description below for the newest deals on each of these items. And be sure to subscribe if you want to stay up to date on the best products on the market. Finally, our top front and rear dash cam is the Vantrue N4. Most drivers will be satisfied with a 2-channel dash cam setup, but taxi and rideshare drivers will most likely want to consider a 3-channel setup for an additional cabin cam, and the Vantrue N4 is an excellent choice for this job. For starters, this triple-channel dash cam has a 155-degree front camera and a 165-degree inside camera and a 160-degree rear camera, and it can monitor the front, rear, and interior of your vehicle at the same time, protecting you from potential accidents and liability issues. When set to front and rear dual recording mode, the cam has a front camera with a 4K 2160p resolution and a rear camera with a 1080p resolution. The rear cam is easily 360 degrees adjustable, and it comes with a 20-foot extension cable. It is suitable for cars, SUVs, Jeeps, and trucks. When used alone, the front camera can record in 4K resolution, allowing for clear capture of license plates and road signs. The adjustable inside camera provides greater flexibility and better viewing, making it ideal for rideshare drivers who may be required to provide proof of activities within the vehicle. With low bitrate recording parking mode, this dash cam will record continuously while decreasing video quality to maximize recording quantity. It also has collision detection, which allows the camera to start recording automatically when triggered by a motion or collision event. Overall, this dual dash cam is unquestionably the best piece of equipment you can have for your car, whether for personal or business use. Its pros are, it features IR lights that discreetly illuminate the cabin, it comes with an 18-month extendable warranty, it features a 24-hour parking mode for constant monitoring, and it utilizes a supercapacitor that extends the lifespan of the batteries further than lithium-ion batteries. However, it doesn't have Wi-Fi or Bluetooth capability. The Vantrue N4 is a powerful tool that can capture not just the road ahead and behind, but the driver and passengers, even when the cabin is completely dark. It is ideal for those working in the rideshare industry. That's all for now. Thanks for watching. If we helped you out in any way, please hit the like and subscribe button. We'll see you guys in the next videos.